Okay, let's have an exercise. Read the 4 digits number, display the message whether this number is divided by 3 and if the two left digits are mirrored to the second right digits. Let's see an example of what it means. 9,339 is a number that meets the requirements. The two left digits are 93. Okay, the two right digits are 39 and they are mirrored to each other. Okay, 9339. And if we divide this number in 3, if you do the modulo, if the result of the modulo is 0, then the number is divided by 3 with no remainder. Okay, 9,339 actually divide 3 with no remainder. Now let's see how we write a general program, the data. So first we ask the user to enter an input, and then I want to isolate each of those digits. So in order to isolate the left digit, I take the number and double divide it by 10,000. I actually ask how many times 1,000, I divide it by 1,000. If I ask how many times 1,000 enters in this number, the result is 9. So left digit is 9. Now I want to isolate the second left digit. So what I need to do is get rid of those 2 digits and then isolate the 3. So I took num, which is that number, double divided by 100, so I get rid of 39. I got left with 93. And then 93 modulo 10 gives me the left digit, which is 3. Now I want to isolate the right digit, this one. So I just do num modulo 10, num modulo 10 gives me the right digits. And then I want to isolate the second right digit. I do that. Num, double divided by 10, so I get rid of the 9. And then I modulo 10, I get the 3. If you don't remember those commands, please go to the beginning of the presentation in which you did many examples of division, double division, and modulo. Now I have all the digits separately and I want to check the conditions. The first condition that I want to check is whether the number is mirrored. So I define a variable named isMirror, and what I check is whether the left digit equals the right digit, and if the second left digit equals the second right digit. I used an AND because I need both conditions to be true. Okay, the result is in isMirror. In addition, I want to check whether the number is divided by 3, so I take the number, modulo it with 3, and I check whether it equals 0. If the num modulo 3 equals 0, the result here is true, and true is entered into is divided by 3, else false is entered. What I need in this question, I need both variables to be true. So the result is isMirror and is divided by 3. Since I have AND here, result would be true only if both are true, isMirror and is divided by 3. If one of them is false, the result would be false. And at the end, does the number meet the requirements, and I print the value of res. So that was the first exercise in the presentation.